My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Skoda Kodiaq. This vehicle has done just over 75,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have assist, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, and voice control. On the right, we have setup, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.